Hi everyone, my name is Vincenzo and this is NoodleNSpoon. Today we're going to be making cauliflower fried rice. This is an awesome go-to meal for me. It's gluten-free, it's specific carbohydrate diet friendly, and it's really easy to make and delicious. Now I know cauliflower fried rice has been getting a lot of attention lately. A lot of people are making this at home. So let us know if you have your own variation of the recipe by dropping a comment. Onto the ingredients. We're going to start off with the cauliflower rice, the core of this dish. We get ours from Costco. They come in frozen bags with a bunch of individual packets. This is about 1.5 packets, and it feeds 3 to 4 people. Although if you eat a lot of food like I do, this is going to feed closer to 2, and you can just use 2 full bags. Half an onion. You're going to want 6 cloves of garlic, 2 brown eggs, a couple different spices. So here we have mushroom powder, red chili flakes, oregano, pepper, and sea salt. And then the fun, sesame seed oil and coconut aminos. Now for coconut aminos, I've been on the specific carbohydrate diet for 12 years. I just incorporated these into my diet in the last 2 years and they're awesome. It tastes like soy sauce. You can find them at health food stores like Whole Foods, Costco, Target, and it just brings that umami and kind of Asian flavor to your dish. It's really good. We have a 1/4 cup of peas. We just get ours frozen. A nice beautiful trio of rainbow carrots we got at Trader Joe's, and then about 15 scrimp. Now that we've laid out all of our ingredients, I think it's time we get to chopping and start cooking this bad boy. All right, let's start cooking. You're going to grab a large pan. I have this green pan wok, which I absolutely love. I'll link it down in the description. We add some olive oil to the pan and we set the heat to a medium. We add our carrots, our garlic, and our onions and let that cook for about 10 minutes, just stirring it as it goes so they soften up. That's when you can add your cauliflower. Now cauliflower is frozen, so it's gonna take a little while to cook. What I do is I set the heat then to high and I let it cook for probably another 15, close to 20 minutes. Note that cauliflower soaks up oil really easily, so halfway through the cooking process I'll add more oil, and that's to make sure it gets that nice fried texture as it cooks. Start adding in your other ingredients like the peas and the spices, mix those in, let that cook for another 5 minutes before you make a little bit of room in the center. You add some more oil and you add your shrimp in there. And we'll cook those shrimp also for 5 minutes before we mix them in with the cauliflower and add the coconut aminos and the sesame seed oil. Now you'll make space in the center one last time, and that's to cook your eggs. Now a little helpful tip right here, when you're cooking these eggs, you don't want them to just disappear into the cauliflower rice. So what you do is you make a little bit of room in the center like we did with the shrimp, you add some oil, you add those eggs, and you actually stir them and start to cook them in the center and let them start to stiffen up before you actually mix them in. That'll make sure that you have nice little fluffy bits of egg in your cauliflower rice. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to the channel, guys. I've had so much fun making this cauliflower fried rice. I really eat this all the time, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a really easy dish to make. You can get the ingredients anywhere. You can combine it with a bunch of ingredients. And at the end of the day, isn't that what it's all about? Just finding an easy to make dish that's absolutely delicious that you can have anytime, anywhere. All right, and there you have it. Some nice cauliflower fried rice with shrimp. Let's give it a taste. Hold on. I need one more taste. Absolutely delicious. And I think this whole plate I'm gonna enjoy myself. All right, everybody, that's all. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Drop a follow, give us a subscribe. Bye.